First, we need to prepare the material, the real aluminum bars 6061 or 7075 aluminum. Then cutting it into the raw material disc. This is always depends on the thickness as you need. Second, we process the raw disc into the general shape. In this process, it needs 1,600 tons of forging strength, and the 6061 and 7075 are quite different in this process. 6061 only need one time forging, but because 7075 is harder, it always needs two times forging, which can make it finished. It needs forging, then softens by heating, and forging. Then we will get the general shape of the 7075 aluminum. And we also need to cut the extra set pieces, including the chamfering and the debuffing. You will get the final general shape. This is 6061. And this is 7075. And the third, all spacers need to go through the heat treatment. 6061 need 2 or 3 hours, and 7075 always need 4 to 6 hours. And then they need natural cooling to 0 degrees in 12 hours in a closed environment to make it the highest durability. And after the heat treatment, we need finish machining according to the drawing paper. Including the PCD, CB sizes, and also the bolt holes and the stems. This process is produce the bolt holes. And they also need repeatedly produced in CNC machine. We need to make it the most smooth and without any turning marks. And after the final machining, they will go to the oxidation to anodize the colors. And after all these production process, there are only some customization left, like the laser marking. and stamping the studs. And after all these, the wheel spacers will go packing. In this process, we need to make sure all our workers wear the gloves to avoid the dust on the wheel spacers. And we also put the sleeves on the bolt because we have 2 pieces in one box. We need to avoid the scratcher with each other. This is a whole produce process of our wheel spacers. Thanks for your watching.